Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Philips air fryer 4.1 liter capacity. I'm purchasing this product. As usual, I am purchasing my favorite electronic store in the Power. In this video, we will see unboxing as well as how to use and how I cook my first recipe in Philips air fryer. So let's do the unboxing to cut the wrapper here. Inside the box we receive this is the magic booklet. Yes, the product quality is really nice, especially look at this, the cable, the safety here. So we need to, as it is, this side as well. So it's very easy to open, just simply press here and no. So this way is really nice. One of the important point, if you want to remove this one, it's very easy. You just simply press here and this is open. This is your air fryer, so you can clean this portion as well after cooking this one. That is really nice, and including this one. Apart from that, here no need to add anything. This is the finest one. Anything is here? No, this is just magic booklet. We can close this one. I just simply start. So here is the screen on off. Now is on. Baby plate here, turn it on. So everything is a screen touch here. So first of all, here the timer, here the menu. This is the menu, which one you want. Here you should press this one and change the each and every recipe. Now first, now second, third, which recipe you want to use. Accordingly you decide. After that, increase the temperature, decrease the temperature. This is the timer, how much time you decide. Here the time, here the turn it on and off. That one is really easy and very easy to start this one. Now we can do the puja. As Indian tradition, we are making some puja. Okay, rice bhi nahi, usme rice bhi laga. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.